What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are deep cleaning my master bedroom and bathroom. So I was actually planning on doing a full deep cleaning for the full house today, but there's been so much to really deep clean that I have literally just spent the last 2 hours in the bedroom alone. Like, it's been 2 hours and I've only cleaned the bedroom. So I'm like, there's no way that I'm going to be able to like commit to deep cleaning and give my full 100% to every part of the house all in one day. So I'm like, I think I'm gonna do the kitchen and living room tomorrow. I'll probably film that and then do like a part 2, just another video for you guys. But yeah, today's gonna be all about the bedroom and the bathroom. Now, let me just say, I've seen your guys' previous comments and some of my previous clean with me's, and it's always like, her house is not even dirty. It looks like it's already clean. Okay, I hear you, I hear you. So what I did for this video, because you guys know what I do, I've mentioned this before, I have like a daily cleaning routine. I'm more of like a clean as I go type of person. So if I see that something's dirty, I will just like clean it right away. I'll get out the surface cleaner, get out the cloth, and just like clean everything right away, rather than like let everything pile up for the end of the week and then do a full, you know what I mean? Like, that's just the way I work. I actually have a full daily cleaning routine video on my channel, and it's actually a really good video if I do say so myself. So definitely check out that video if you guys are interested. But specifically, I knew I wanted to film another clean with me, and I was like, okay, this time I'm not gonna do daily cleaning. I'm gonna purposely let my house let it accumulate for like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. So my house is dirty this time, hun, okay? It's messy, it's dirty. Now, I mean, my house is never gonna be extremely messy. I always like put things away where they belong, but I specifically, you know, let it get dusty. My sink, my bathroom sink, whew, it's not cute because there's like soap scum around. I have been dying to clean. Like, it's been so like tempting for me to clean. Also, I removed some blackheads on my face today. That's why it's kind of red. So I'm actually gonna move on and start cleaning the bathroom right now, but I just stopped midway of everything to film this intro. So if you guys wanna clean with me and watch me deep clean my bedroom and my bathroom, then keep watching. So I did laundry the day before, so I am now putting away like all of the clean laundry. Most of it is in my closet, and I'm kind of just tidying up. Like, I had a sweater laying around and stuff. I'm not really a messy person, so I'm just tidying up a little bit of like stuff that's laying around, but there's usually not like a ton. So one of my favorite things to do is vacuum the upholstery in my house. Just vacuum all your fabric furniture, people. There's so much dust that accumulates, and sometimes you don't see it, but you'll notice it build up after years if you never do it. So it's super important to do it, and also vacuum your mattress. You guys, Sugar does this every time. Like, he thinks it's for him. Okay, I'm noticing how dirty this is. I don't know, I really hope like you guys can pick it up on camera. Admittedly, I haven't vacuumed this area, like even right here. Where is it? Right there. Look how dusty that is. Like, I haven't vacuumed that area in so long. Like, I'm actually embarrassed by how it looks, but that area is just like that little area between the mattress and your like bed thing. So I'm about to clean that right now. So I'm gonna try this and I hope it works. I'm just gonna use this little head from that came with my Dyson. I'm actually gonna put it on burst because we need to really pick this up. So now I'm using that same small tool just to vacuum the lamp, and you would be so surprised how much dust just like sits on your lamp shades. I also like to vacuum the counters and everything like that. It just makes it easier, and then obviously I go over with surface cleaner, but it makes it easier when you do use surface cleaner. You don't have a bunch of dust just flying around back and forth. Okay, this is like the best part, I feel, is like when you put fresh, clean sheets on your bed. I'm telling you, it is the best feeling ever. That first sleep in like freshly clean sheets is everything. So I'm about to put on my freshly clean, they're so soft, bed sheets. I want to give a huge shout out to Brooklinen for partnering with me on today's video. Brooklinen sells the most incredible bed sheet bundles. Their whole brand is really based on giving you high quality bed sheets, but for an affordable price. A lot of their sets range from $200 to $250, which for the same quality, a lot of other brands would sell them for around $400. So you're getting such good quality for such an affordable price. I'm telling you, the first time I slept in my Brooklinen sheets was like the most incredible experience of my life. They're so soft, they're so luxurious. The thing is, we spend like a third of our life sleeping in our bed. So why not give yourself the most comfortable, luxurious sheets, especially when it's for an affordable price. So if you guys are looking for bed sheets, I highly recommend them. So the bed is made, and I cannot tell you how good it makes me feel just to know that I have like super comfy, cozy, fresh, clean, high quality but affordable bed sheets on my bed. So the one that I got is the Luxe, and it actually has 480 thread count. It feels so buttery soft and smooth, you guys. So I recommend you guys get the bundle. That's what I did. I think you save like 25% just by getting it in a bundle instead of buying like the individual items. It comes with everything: the fitted sheet, the regular sheet, the pillowcases, and the duvet cover. So it literally is just like everything you need in one. I of course have a coupon code for you guys. You can use the code AmyM to get $20 off an order over $100. One area that you gotta remember to clean is back there, right behind the nightstands. It gets so dirty. Like, look at how dirty that is. All right, time to clean the bathroom, you guys. Which this bathroom right now is dirty. Like, it needs to be cleaned. So the counters, like, this is actually because I was emptying the vacuum. So there's like dust from the vacuum dustbin. The sink, oh, I cannot. I have to clean the glass. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's zoom in. Yep, have to clean the glass, clean the toilet. I did clean inside the toilet the other day. I could not stand it, but I gotta really clean that. I have to wipe down these baseboards. They need to be straight up wiped down, not just vacuumed. First thing I am going to do is put these in the washing machine. Anytime I'm cleaning the bathroom, it's just the first thing that I do, because while I'm cleaning, these can be getting cleaned. And I'll just like shake them out. You can see how much like dust and hair is falling out of them. So this is actually a Dyson as well, like my other one, but I don't know if you guys can tell it's different. This is a V7, my other one is a V11. The V11 is 1000% better overall, but this one's still pretty good. I keep this one upstairs because I always want to vacuum the hairs off the floor when I do my hair and stuff, but this one is actually has its bonuses because it's significantly lighter weight. It's also a lot cheaper, and it's smaller, so it can fit in this little space between the cabinet and the wall right here. And this always gets so dusty. Like, do you guys see how dusty that is? Don't mind that yellow. That is literally just from the drywall from construction, and it just didn't get painted in the corner. So that's actually not dirty. I know it looks dirty, but it's not. But yeah, so this is so hard to clean, but this gets right in there. Like I said, these baseboards need to be like wiped down, not just vacuumed. So behind the bathtub right here kind of gets like a lot of these water spots from like sometimes splashing. So I'm literally just putting warm water. I usually use a cloth, but I'm just using a paper towel right now. So I love this bathroom cleaner from Method. Honestly, I like to keep my cleaning supplies super simple, and with this bathroom cleaner, you really don't need to use anything harsher or anything else. Like, it really does work well on soap scum. So I love it for cleaning the bathtub. Just using the Method glass cleaner on the glass shower doors. So the shower doors did have a little bit of soap scum, so I actually ended up using the bathroom cleaner on the soap scum and then finishing off with the glass cleaner, and that worked really well. I also did use the bathroom cleaner from Method on the shower tiles, but I did not get that on camera, but it works really, really well for that too. And now I am cleaning the toilet. It's so important to clean like the entire toilet, not just like, the seat. So also I like to make sure that I clean that edge, but where the toilet and the floor meets, because there's always a little bit of stuff that kind of gets stuck there. And now moving on to the vanities. I would say this is probably my least favorite part for some reason. There's just so many little like nooks and crannies, but as you can see, the countertops were dusty. I showed you guys here. And cleaning the soap dispenser, the sink had gotten so bad. I purposely left it like that. Normally I clean my sink every like 2 days or so, but I purposely, let it accumulate so you guys can see how satisfying it is to clean it. But I just cleaned it with some bathroom cleaner, and then I like to just use my hands and water, and then if I need to, I will go in with the magic eraser. So then I am wiping down all of the cabinets. This is something that is always a part of my deep cleaning routine because it's so important. There's always like little splatters and spills and dust, and I always like to clean the handles. Of course, I'm just using surface cleaner on a paper towel. This is super important too. Literally warm water works well. I like to just rinse off the dust from the vents because air is blowing out of those vents. So you don't want dust to just be blowing in the air. So this is really important. I do this every time I clean. And then the very last thing I'm doing is mopping, and the bathroom is always a place where like mopping, you can just tell it needs to be mopped because you see like, water spills from the vanity and the tub and everything like that. I love this mop that I got from Amazon. You mix in about 70% water, 30% surface cleaner, and it sprays, and it's just super easy, and then you just reuse the little cloth that comes on it. Okay, I'm like so exhausted now, but I'm officially done cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me and just watching me clean the bedroom and bathroom. It feels so good to have everything fresh, but I feel like now I need to get fresh. I don't know about you guys, but every single time I finish cleaning, oh my God, my breath is just so tired. Every single time I finish cleaning, I feel like now I need to take a shower, and clean myself. So I'm about to actually go take a shower, wash my hair. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out Brooklinen. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box. Bye guys. Mwah.